Here's the trick to create a local account. Shift F10 when you get to this screen. OOBE. I always forget. Oops, gotta click in there. I'm typing OOBE / bypass NRO. Yep, I always do that. / / This is a backslash. So then when we come back to that screen to connect to the internet, it will give me the option of selecting I don't have internet, so I can set up a local account. Sometimes this is necessary. Show you what that looks like when it comes back on. I like creating 2 additional local accounts, not just having a online account. Sometimes you are in a position where you don't have a Microsoft account. Maybe you don't want to create a Microsoft account. You just want to use your computer as a local offline computer all the time, or just don't want to be connected to the World Wide Web as far as personal email or personal account. It's kind of hard to get away with anymore. So, all right. So, US and US keyboard. Skip that. We can do that another time. And you see down there where it shows I don't have internet has showed. That's my trick. All right. We'll see you in the next video.